Now coming up for 10:15 on this Monday morning, and there are still delays at the Madlanga Commission of Inquiry with very little explanation, I must be honest. So we were initially under the impression that the adjournment that was taken just a few minutes after 30:30 would take a few minutes itself, but that hasn't happened. So let's try to get you reasons why. I bring in Kenny Mapanga, who's live to us from the Bridget Mabandla Justice College. And Kenny, talk about being in a situation of hurry up and wait.
Indeed. Good morning to you, Ayanda, and to the viewers at home. As you see, Suliman Carrim did make his way into the venue. It seems that he's just stepped out again, but he had taken his seat there. But essentially this morning, what you saw with the current delays is that there was a bit of an exchange between the legal team of Mr. Suliman Carrim with the Commission's secretary, that is Dr. Vuguza. It seems that when the seating arrangements were being made, there was some form of a miscommunication there, and it is from there where things turned a bit left, if we could put it that way, and there was a bit of an exchange between Advocate Primid and the Commission Secretary, that is Dr. Vuguza, about the manner in which Carrim's legal team felt that they were being handled in that particular moment. I think it speaks to the overall tensions between the two sides in this particular matter. We know that Suliman Carrim was the first witness to take the Commission to court, and of course that failed. And then there was the postponement bid, and you've constantly seen them raise issues about how they feel their client has been treated during this particular process, because you remember in the court application, Ayanda, he was trying to also review his status as an implicated person. So I think behind the scenes, a lot of tensions may have formed in that regard that could have sparked what we saw take place earlier this morning, that delayed proceedings for a bit, as we saw that exchange over, it was just a mere seating arrangement, I think, that caused something bigger to take place between the Commission Secretary and then, of course, the lawyers. It seems that retired Justice Mbuyiseni Madlanga did call them to the back or to chambers in order to resolve the issue, and now they are going to proceed with the evidence of Mr. Suliman Carrim, who has taken the stand. That application for in-camera testimony was refused, so he will have to answer to those questions in front of the full glare of the public. So essentially the allegations he'll be answering to, and in the main, will be those WhatsApp exchanges that speak to the SABC contracts to the tune of millions, and his alleged role in trying to influence, allegedly, the minister to look into some of the concerns raised by a cat. But let's take a listen to how that testimony will go over the next 2 days.